No, I don't know. Psst. Pick me. The answer is then. Psst. Oh, pick me. The answer is then. I'm losing my mind. My name is Pascal, and welcome to English Way. Today, we will look at then and then. Then and then are actually pronounced differently, but for most people, they just pronounce them the same.
How do I know which one is the real dad? We never switched. Wait, we don't even look the same.
Let's meet our first contestant. Then is used in comparison as a conjunction and as a preposition. In the example, the elephant is bigger than the platypus. We are comparing the elephant with the platypus. Just remember, then with an A is used to compare with an A. Now, the next contestant. Then indicates time. It can be used as an adverb, noun, and adjective. In the example, Pascal ate all the pizza then left. Then is used to tell you what Pascal did after eating all the pizza. Just remember, then with an E is used to indicate time with an E. Now, let's go back to our friend. I think he needs a bit of help. Is the sentence comparing or talking about time? It is comparing, so it must be then, because then has an A, like compare. To sum up, then with an A is to compare. Then with an E is used to indicate time. Please like, then subscribe. If you do, I will love you more than pizza. Don't forget to keep on learning and have fun.